We all have them. Those pesky bad habits that hold us back. Whether it's mindlessly scrolling through social media, biting your nails, or hitting the snooze button one too many times, these habits can be frustratingly persistent. Breaking free from their grip may seem daunting, but it's entirely possible. Bad habits are often deeply ingrained in our routines. They can creep up on us unnoticed, becoming automatic responses to certain triggers. We might not even realize we're engaging in them until after the fact. But don't worry, there's hope. By understanding the psychology behind habit formation, we can develop effective strategies for breaking the cycle and replacing bad habits with good ones. It's time to take control and create a better version of ourselves. Let's embark on this journey together and discover the fastest way to break bad habits and build good ones. Habits, both good and bad, operate on a simple three-step loop: cue, routine, reward. The cue is a trigger that initiates the habit. It could be a specific time of day, a location, or even an emotion. The routine is the actual behavior itself, the action you take in response to the cue. Finally, the reward is the positive outcome you experience from performing the routine, which reinforces the habit loop. Think about the last time you mindlessly checked your phone. The cue might have been boredom or a notification sound. The routine was unlocking your phone and scrolling through social media. The reward? A quick hit of dopamine, a feeling of being connected, or simply a distraction from the present moment. By understanding this habit loop, we can start to identify the cues, routines, and rewards that drive our own bad habits. This awareness is crucial for breaking the cycle and creating lasting change. Breaking bad habits requires conscious effort and a toolbox of effective strategies. One powerful technique is to identify and eliminate the cues that trigger your bad habits. If you constantly check your phone when you're bored, try keeping yourself occupied with a book or a puzzle. Another strategy is to make the routine itself more difficult. If you're trying to cut back on sugary drinks, move them to a high shelf in your pantry or store them out of sight. This added friction can make it easier to resist temptation. Furthermore, it's crucial to find alternative rewards that satisfy your needs in a healthier way. Instead of reaching for that bag of chips when you're stressed, try going for a walk, listening to music, or practicing deep breathing exercises. Remember that breaking bad habits takes time and effort. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. Focus on making small, sustainable changes over time. Section 4. Building a better you: effective methods for forming good habits. Building good habits is like constructing a solid foundation for a better life. One effective method is to start small and gradually increase the difficulty. If you want to exercise regularly, begin with a short workout a few times a week and gradually increase the duration and intensity. Another powerful strategy is to stack your habits. This involves linking a new habit to an existing one. For instance, if you want to start meditating, try meditating for a few minutes after you brush your teeth each morning. Making your desired habits attractive can also increase your chances of success. Find ways to make the experience enjoyable. If you want to read more, join a book club or create a cozy reading nook in your home. Remember to track your progress and celebrate your achievements along the way. This positive reinforcement can help you stay motivated and on track. Section 5. Real-life transformations: examples of habit success. Countless individuals have successfully transformed their lives by breaking bad habits and building good ones. Take, for example, the story of someone who overcame their procrastination habit. By implementing time management techniques, breaking down tasks into smaller steps, and finding an accountability partner, they were able to increase their productivity and achieve their goals. Another inspiring example is the story of someone who quit smoking. By understanding their triggers, seeking support from friends and family, and using nicotine replacement therapy, they were able to break free from their addiction and improve their health. These real-life transformations demonstrate that change is possible for anyone willing to put in the effort. By adopting the right strategies and maintaining consistency, you too can experience the transformative power of habit change.